So how can you convert a fraction into percentage? How do you convert fraction into percentage? Okay, boss. So for example, 1/2. How can I convert this into percentage? That means out of 100, this 1/2 is how much percent? That is how much percent? That means if I multiply fraction by 100, I am able to express in percentage form. How can I convert a percentage into fraction? 4%. How can I convert percentage into fraction? Divided by 100. Are you understood or not understood this bar? Silent. For example, CRR is, for example, I am saying approximately 4%. So how can you write 4% as a fraction? 4/100. Understand this? Tell me what is numerator, what is denominator? Numerator is 4, sir, denominator is 100. I will hang in the fan. Yes. Tell me what is the meaning of numerator and denominator? I am not asking you what is the value of numerator. Are you understand my question? I am not asking what is the value of denominator. I am asking what is the meaning of numerator and denominator. Numerator is number, denominator is number. In this way, you utilize the classes. Oh. Understand? How can you convert this as a fraction? Now, what is 4%? Is CRR is 4%. CRR, whatever the statement saying, that is the numerator. What is abbreviate this? Yes. This is your reserve. This is the reserve. If you name it reserve, if you name it deposit, that is the, then who will keep you know? I will not use that word. Then you have to keep 4 rupees as a reserve. Out of what is called this? I'll leave all this thing. What is this? Abbreviate that. What is abbreviate this? Net demand and time liabilities. Demand and time liabilities. You know what is the meaning and what is that you will study. But out of this, what is this? You know, I'll abbreviate it. Out of this, you have to keep 4 rupees as a reason. Are you understood or not understand? It is not 100, it is not a 4. Don't say like that. Always read any topics to teach others. Understand? If you teach others, then you will read the same subject differently. Are you understand? So how can you convert percentage fraction into percentage into 100? How can you convert percentage into fraction divided by 100? Are you understand? Not understand this, boss? How can you convert a ratio into percentage? I have to say something. For example, 20/100 or 20:100, you can take it. Okay, boss. Is it a fraction or ratio? Acha. When you say one fraction as a ratio, if they are in their simplest form, what is called simplest form? Not technically, generally, there is no common factor other than the 1. Actually, technically, I have to say HCF is 1. I am not introduced now LCM HCF. That is why I am not using that technically. So, is there any common factor other than 1? You are able to cancel by other than 1? Yes, sir. They are not in simplified form. You cannot call this as a ratio. 1 times 20, 5 times 20. What is the ratio now? So, any common number other than the 1? Are you able to know that they are in the simplest form? If the fraction are in their simplest form, then only that is said to be a ratio. Are you understand this bar? Every ratios are said to be a fraction. 1:5 means 1/5. But every fraction cannot be a ratio. Are you understood or not understood this bar? If they are in their simplest form, what is called simplest form? Sir, small number, sir. Not like that. Understood or not understand? What is called simplest form? There is no common character other than the one. You see, other than the one. Any common character? Now tell me. Are they in simplest form or not? Yes. Simplest form or not? Any common number other than this? Don't think smaller number. It is also what? There is no common character between these two. Are you understand this bar? If they are in the simplest form, then only it is said to be what? A ratio. How can you convert ratio into percentage? For example, 1 by 3. Understand this, boss? Actually, I have to write like that. 1. For example, 40 percentage. Oh. For example, 2 by 5. How can I convert this into percentage? Multiply by 100. Are you understood or not understood this, boss? How much? How much you will get? 40%. Are you understand this? Come to here. So into 100. What you will get? 33.33. Are you understand? So how can you convert ratio into percentage? Into 100. How can you convert percentage into ratio? Understand? For example, 4% is there. How can you convert this into ratio? Divided by 100. First convert ratio into fraction. Then are they in the simplest form? No. Further simplify. That means 1 by 25. Are you understood or not understand this part? But because percent means out of 100, that value is how much? Same multiply by 100. Whatever the fraction, multiply by 100. Huh? I told you, you can say, you see here. What? Listen here. Understand this? 1 by 2 of what? 1 by 2 of what? I'm not saying anything. What is 1 by 2? That may be income. That may be population. It may be anything. Are you understand this, boss? We are not started the question. I generally given if the fraction is like that, I multiply by 100. That only I am saying out of 100, that is how much? Percent means out of 100, that value is how much? Out of 100, 2 by 5 is how much percent? Are you understand? Converting fraction into percentage means multiply by 100. Convert percentage into fraction means divided by 100. How can you convert ratio into percentage? Multiply by 100. How can you convert percentage into ratio? Divided by 100. Are you understood or not understand? Understood this bar? Yes. Next listen carefully. How can I convert a decimal into percentage? For example, 0.35. Out of 100, 0.35 is how much percent? So multiply by 100. Are you understand? If you are multiplying a decimal by 100, then the how many zeros are there? That means decimal will move to place right side. Understood this bar? That means this is how much percentage? Are you understand? Not understand this, boss? That means you have to multiply by 100. For example, the question says, so 43%. Do you understand this? Then how can I convert this into decimal? First, convert this into what? Fraction. How? Divided by 100. Are you understand this, boss? If you divide, this is 43.0. So if you divided by 100, any number having 0, understand this? That means 10, 100, 1000, like that. Then the decimal moves left hand side. How many zeros are there? 20. That means this becomes 0.43. Are you understand this, boss? Are you understand this, bar? That means you have to divide it by 100. Are you understand, not understand this? Fraction into percentage means multiply by 100. Percentage into fraction means divided by 100. Ratio into percentage means multiply by 100. Percentage into ratio means divided by 100. Decimal into percentage means multiply by 100. Percentage into decimal means divided by 100. Are you understood or not understand? Newspaper will say like that. Repo rate increased by 35 basis point. So I'm going by extra something. So I will say, boss, repo rate increased by 35 basis point. What is this? That is synonyms to 0.35%. 35 basis means what does it mean? Divided by 100, that means 0.35%. Are you understood or not understand this? If I am saying, boss, that some value changes by 35 basis point, boss, that is changes by 0.35%, which is easy to understand. 0.35% is so earlier 7%, sir. Now 7.35. Are you understood or not understand? Boss, understand that many of the newspapers, they are not passing the information in a layman language. Are you understood or not understand this? Because many people don't know. I'm talking about common people. Are you understand, not understand this? Whatever they chant, what will happen to me? They are going like that way. Are you understand this? All are understood here? In this topic, you have to remember some fraction value into percentage form. Understand this, boss? For example, listen. 1 by 1. How much percentage? Multiply by 100. 1 by 2. How much percentage? 1 by 3. How much percentage? 33 into 100. 100 by 3. 33 point. But in entire CSAT, fraction is given, convert it into percentage, then solve the question. That application is less. So don't remember like this order. Are you understood or not understand? You have to remember in this order. What is this order? 100%. What is the fraction? Divided by 100. 1 by 1. 50%. What is the fraction? 1 by 2. Then 33.33%. 1 by 3. Then 25% divided by 100. That is 1 by 4. Understand? Next, 20%. What is the fraction? 1 by 5. 16.66%. What you will get? 1 by 6. Understand this, boss? Then 14.28%. 1 by 7. Okay. 12.5%. 1 by 8. 11.11%. 1 by 9. 10%. 1 by 10. Understand? 1 by 10. Then 9.09%. 1 by 11. Next, 8.33%. That is 1 by 12. Then 7.69%. 1 by 13. Then 7.14%. 1 by 14. Then 6.66 or 67%. 1 by 15. Then 6.25%. That is 1 by 16. 5.88%. That is 1 by 17. Understood or not understand? 5.56%. 1 by 18. 5.26%. That is 1 by 19. 5%. 1 by 20. Understood this bar? Now tell me. 1 by 21 how much? 1 by 22 how much? 1 by 23 how much? Tell me. Into 100 you will get 5%. Now into 100, tell me how much? Don't give preference to copying. Understood this, boss? Give preference to understanding. Understand this, boss? Otherwise, I will display the PPT like that. I will show you, okay, next slide like that. But you will not feel it. Understood this, boss? So tell me, 1 by 21 is how much percent? Into 100, how much? Are bar, people not saying anything. Anji, how much? You see, it takes this much time. 1 by 21 is into 100. How 7 point something? 4 point? No. 4.83, yeah. Acha. Okay. 1 by 22. How much? 4 point? 1 by 22. 4.10. Acha. Yes. 1 by 22. You see how what you people are doing. 37. Acha. Any other? Hmm. 4.5? Then I told you 100 by 22, you taking this much time. Further simplify 100 by 22, you can cancel 50 by 11, you can take it. Are you understood or not understand? Then you can tell me how much? 5 4, acha. Then what is here? 1 by 23? 4.34. 30 people. So you have to remember up to here. Application of this is more. In this direction you have to remember. Profit is 5.88%. Immediately write 1 by 17. What is called 1 by 17? 1 is called profit, 17 is called cost price. That means every 17 unit of 17 rupees of cost price, my profit is 1 unit. Are you understood or not? So application of remembering in this way is more in entire basic numeracy. Are you understand this? Don't expect a formula like that. Sir, compound interest means amount equal to P into 1 plus R. If you write the formula, I will jump from the building. Understood? Simple interest, sir. PNR by 100. I will hang in every camera. No formula. Are you understood this? But so remember up to 1 by 23. Most popular value. Are you understood or not understood this? But Madam J? All are understood this? But sir, can I go and sit and remember 6.25 means how much like that? Remember? No. In these 4 days, some of the popular value you will remember the percentage. Keep on practicing, your subconscious mind will remember. No need for going and sitting mug up like this. Are you understood or not understood this? But okay, next level. Percentage change. Okay, change means it may be increase, it may be what? Decrease. Are you understand? Understood? Change means it may be increase or it may be decrease also possible. Are you understand this? Listen now carefully. For example, A got 200 marks and B got 250 marks. Sir, I apologize. Originally, my income is 200 rupees. My now income becomes 250 rupees. Are you understand this? Initially, my income is how much? Now income is how much? What happened to my income? I am not asking how much.
Increase.
Answer my question. What happened to my income? Increasing. How much rupees increasing? 50 rupees increasing. Are you understood or not understand? So my income increased by how much rupees? 50 rupees. But the question asked, how much percent your income increasing? So I have to convert 50 rupees into percentage form. Understand this, boss? So how can I convert it? Understand this, boss? Listen very carefully. I will come to that point after 1 minute. Ready? Listen carefully. We will see. A is 200 mark. B is 250 mark. Are you ready? Now the question asked, A's mark is how much percent of B's mark? Are you ready? Attention, my language. The question asks percentage. How can you calculate the percentage? Fraction into 100. Are you understand this, boss? So what is a fraction, numerator and denominator? Whatever before the percentage, that is called numerator. After the percentage, that is called denominator. Are you understood or not understand? Are you understand this, boss? Tell me, what is numerator? That means here A's mark, here B's mark. Percentage means multiply by 100. Are you understood or not? Yes, please. Because whose percentage is asked? A's, that means you have to find A's percentage compared to B's percentage. Whatever reference, that has to be denominator. Are you understand? Profit is 20%. 20% of what? Cost price. So cost price is called denominator. Whatever reference point, that has to be denominator. Whatever you want to calculate, that is going to be numerator. You are going to calculate percentage of whom? Answer my question. You see the question? So tell me whose percentage you are going to calculate. A's percent, that is numerator. Compare to whom? B, that is denominator. Whatever you want to calculate, that is going to be numerator. Reference point going to be denominator. Understood and not understand. All are understand this? Now look. Tell me how much A's mark? 200. How much B? Percentage means multiply by 100. Are you understand this, boss? Now cancelled. Understand? Cancelled 4 times, cancelled 5 times, cancelled. How much you will get? Understand? 80% okay. Now listen my language. Tell me, what is 80%? A's mark is 80%. 80% of what? That is it. That means A value is how much? 80% of B's mark. B is how much? B is how much? Out of 250, if you find 80% is how much? That is equal to 200. That is, are you understood or not? Understood or not understand? 80%. Yeah, whose percentage is 80%? A is 80%. 80% of what? B. Are you understand this, boss? All understand this, boss? Understand everybody? Now you see here next. So A scored 200, B scores 250. Okay, boss. Now the question asked, B's mark is how much percent of A's mark? Tell me, you are going to find the percentage. Whose percentage you are deriving? That means that has to be numerator. So reference point, that is going to be denominator, multiply by 100. Before the percentage is numerator, after the percentage is denominator. Are you understood or not understand this? But so how much B's mark? How much A's mark? 200. Percentage means multiply by 100. So cancelled, you will get 125%. What is called 125%? What is called 125%? B's mark is 125%. Okay. 125% of what? A's mark. Are you understood or not understand? Are you understand this bar? Totally silent. How much A mark? Out of 200, 125 is how much? You will get 250. All are understand. If you see the word percentage anywhere in your life, you have to shoot the next question. This much percentage of what? Sometimes while going in the road, you will see some insurance ad. They will say 7%. 7% of what? The 7% of whatever premium I am paying, or 7% of what? So wherever you are seeing the word percentage, next question you have to shoot this much percentage of what? I don't understand. Now A's mark, B's mark is how much? 125%. Okay, 125% of what? Are you understood or not understand? All understand. So percentage means a fraction into 100. Are you understand? Not understand this bar? Next listen.